Ever wondered why two traders look at the same chart, one filled with indicators and the other clean? And at the end of the day, it is the one with naked chart that walks away with profit. Indicators don't predict price, they react to what price has already done. By the time RSI screamed overbought, price has already reversed. The move is already gone. I learned that the hard way after losing trades that looked perfect on a paper. But when I stripped everything off and studied price itself, liquidity grab, structure, zones, everything changed. I have break down the real difference between price action and indicator trading with life examples, mindset tips, and how to mix both like a pro. Link in the description. Go watch the full video. It's a game changer.